My name is AJ DeRosa, and I'm the creative director of Project Upland. I'm excited to share with you the next chapter of the Bird Hunting Epic series, Volume 1 of the Bird Hunting Anthology, a book dedicated to the celebration of the upland community. We started as a digital platform, dedicated to telling all of our stories in the upland community, from pointing dogs to flushers to pheasants or ruffed grouse. Project Upland is about the celebration of both the modern era of wing shooting and the preservation of our history. The Project Upland community has grown leaps and bounds over the past couple of years, and together we want to continue to grow, capture new stories, and celebrate all of our adventures. This year, we added multiple new filmmakers, award-winning writers, gifted artists, talented photographers, and even a podcast to collectively grow and celebrate all the traditions in our community. With our announcement of our journey into print, we are taking a huge step to grow our collective and to create a new outlet for storytelling and timeless creative content. But we cannot do it without your help. We are aiming to raise $15,000 to bring this creative vision to life. Our first book will be a compilation of short stories and visually stunning photography, perfect for any hunting camp, shooting club, gift, or private collection. This beautifully crafted coffee table style book is for all upland enthusiasts and will be available in both softcover and limited edition hardcover. We have assembled a diverse collection of pledge options to accommodate people from all walks of life, as well as an opportunity to tell your story through film, sound, and photography. We cannot thank the Project Upland community enough. It has been through your stories, your passion, that this platform has grown. We hope that this important step into print will open new doors for creative expression and storytelling in the near future. This is Project Upland, and these are your stories.